Alright traders, here we are, Thursday morning, red day today. I just can't find anything worth trading, honestly. I took a few stabs at FBIO on the short side. That one just hasn't been working. Cut there. SCYX, I got in this at pre-market at 134 right here. Sold at 141 into that pop. Besides that, guys, it's been quiet, and the trades just haven't really been working for me. So I'm going to manage this red day very well and just cut it right there. Hope you guys learned something from the video. Alright guys, the market is open. What am I watching? OCX. I want to see if that one's going to get a pop at the start. Also watching VTVT. This one, you guys know I'm watching VTVT. If this one breaks $3 on a strong note, I will be a buyer at that area. OCX, I'm watching this one for a break of $5. Kind of retest that 520 area. VTVT is a little light, getting a little bit of a sell-off. OCX, this one's perking on up a little bit. BIO is getting a little bit of a sell-off down here. Let's see if this is going to get under $2. I'll look for a small entry on it if we come under $2. Oftentimes when these things start pulling to whole numbers, they'll gravitate to them, crack underneath them, take out a bunch of orders, and then pop right up back through them. This one is shortable with CMEG. All right, here we go. We're coming down to that $2 area. Nothing I'm absolutely in love with, guys. I took one trade in pre-market. I'll go over that in just a second. YRCR, I'm keeping this one on watch. It popped up. It's coming back down to that 13 and VWAP. Going to see what it's going to do around here. OCX is going without me. Frick, guys, I missed this. I was looking for this, and I missed it. Going to have a good amount of resistance up here. This is where I'd be selling right now. I was looking for that $5 break. FBIO is trying to set itself up a little bit with a higher low here. Buyers pushing on in, forming these lower shadows. Also, the 200-day is serving as some nice support here at 210. 209 is that 200-day moving average. This one's really overbought, though. It's gapping up quite a bit. It's got a lot of overhead resistance, a lot of longs underwater in this one. 222's VWAP, got a lot of longs in it from all up around here that are going to be selling very quick. And not only that, shorts are going to be shorting on any pop, so it's just going to be really tough. Let's see if we can pop back up a little bit on FBIO before I take a short position. All right, I'm already short at 203. It's getting a little heavy down here. Oh, not good. Look at all those buyers at 206. Right when I took this short, that's when all these buyers moved into it. It's forming a bear flag, though, so I'm going to be a little patient with this one, guys. Starting to get heavy. Starting to get really heavy here. My risk is 215 on this, guys. You already know. I'll let it play around here a little bit. Big buyers at 205. 25,000 shares. People can just display whatever amount of shares they want to on here. What makes me really comfortable here is just knowing that there's so many longs in this from all the way from like $2 to 292, all in here in pre-market. They're going to be selling anytime this thing pops. Not only that, short sellers are going to be coming in and shorting this on any pop because it's overextended, blown out on the RSI. VTVT is getting a little bit of volume as well. It's a little too light for me though, guys. The volume is just here and there everywhere. Big orders coming in at 209, which might encourage some buyers to move into this. I'm going to really see what it's going to do around 215, guys. If it pops right through it, I'm going to see if it's just going to come back down. Watching it very carefully here. Fingers on the trigger if it's going to keep moving or if it's just going to be a fake out breakout. If this one gets back above VWAP, that's when I'm cutting out. And I'm out there, guys. I'm out right there. I'm going to take another stab at this one most likely. I'm back in it on the short side. Tight stop on this one. It's more of an emotional trade. Getting into it here where I just sold. Guys, this is frustrating. You're seeing my emotional side. I was actually doing really well with that first trade. I was very patient with it through that break of the VWAP. I thought it was going to be a fake out breakout like it was, but I hated that it was just kind of consolidating right under VWAP. I wanted it to be a fake out breakout and start really retracing that move. It didn't, so I just covered right there. Then I got right back in it. I'll be honest, this one's really irritating me. Probably going to have to call it a day here. Get out of it. I'm just out of it, guys. Oh, I'm done. This was really a battle with myself today. Not this trade. It was a battle with myself. Because initially I wanted it right under $2 to pick it up. And then I was holding it fine through this VWAP. But then ended up covering. So just battle with myself today, guys. Really frustrated. There's nothing really else out there that I see, guys. Guys, at this point, I'm just looking for a trade. I mean, there's just not a lot today going on. Alright traders, thank you guys so much for watching this video, for supporting the channel. Hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.